Hello and welcome. Welcome. Welcome to the box room. I think I'm going to switch this around. So, I have some things going on. First of all, of course, don't forget the World of Commodore, December 2nd and 3rd. The Admiral INN. Check the TPUG website or the TPUG Facebook page or anything involved in TPUG. There should be information about speakers that have been included, or if you want to speak, get in touch with them, about display tables and tables for people who might want to sell things. Anyway, it'll be a great, magical, wonderful event. And don't forget, of course, the dinner at Swiss Chalet on Saturday night. It will be magic. So I've been back in the basement. That is where I found my friend, who now holds a whole lot of pens and a whole lot of pencils. And why do I have pencils? Well, because they have erasers, and they are very handy. But I was tidying up in here, and I continue to tidy up in here. But, alas, sometimes things don't go well. So I make a stab at getting a little bit done, and then it doesn't go well. Anyway, I need to do more of tidying up. Look, here's a little screwdriver. Needs to go in the bucket, which, of course,
that was easy.
Does not make it easy to find, necessarily. You got to dig around in the bucket. Now, here's a power cord. And the chances of a power cord not working are rather limited. But it does happen. I think I've told the story before, but when I worked in the warehouse at Winn-Dixie, and we were a terminal of the main place in Tampa where everything ran, and I went in one night to do everything up because the whole warehouse needed everything we produced, all the reports and all the stickers and all the everything, where nothing moved. Anyway, I went in, and the computer, which was the terminal, would not come on. Looking back on it, I should have just changed the power cord. But the guy in charge was like, oh my God, no. First of all, of course, because they were anti-overtime. Get off the clock. In other words, be there working, but we're not going to pay you. And anyway, they called in the IBM specialist, and in the end, it was a power cord. Anyway, so there was this power cord. It was downstairs. I brought it up. I put it into the 1541, and it works. And the chances of a power cord ever failing is pretty remote. And it's funny, because that power cord, from that story, in Winn-Dixie, I did take. I thought, you know what, it was a big heavy-duty thing. And I said, well, interesting, that. I'm going to take it. And I have used it on all kinds of things. And I don't know what caused it exactly not to work. It was just a normal-looking power cord. So I am going to, another screwdriver needs to go in the bucket. Anyway, I'm loading up the birthday program. Oh no. Scissors. Wrapped in a cable. Into the bucket. Alright, so I'm going to sleep run. Oh look, F1 blows out the candles, F3 blows out the last candle, F1 then resets the flames, F3 ends the program. Once the flames are out, list 2300 to 2310 to edit the name. Hang on while I set up. So this will set up. I am thinking, there is another thing that I want to do to this. And I wasn't thinking I was going to do it now, but suddenly it just came to me. Maybe this is the time. Oh, and the other thing, did I put fresh batteries in here? I did not. Just a bit longer. Almost done. Now, what I really need to do, get ready. I need to find if I could just type list. Oh, it's still got data there. Well, that's, oh, okay. Just a bit longer. Almost done. Get ready. It's reading data. Okay, so that 1270 looks to be a critical line. So I'm going to change this to 1275. And I'm going to say 1270. By the way you change the line numbers, you just go up, and you put the new one in, you hit enter, and it's done. It doesn't get rid of the other one. It means that now you have two of them. But now I can do 1270, assuming something is probably going to tell it to go to 1270. So if I say 1270, and I can say print, which is a question mark quote, clear home, no, clear the screen, and then go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And put press F1 to start the celebration. Nope. Okay, hang on. So list 1270 onward. Okay, so there's the cake. There's the whatever. So you're not in 1274. No, 1274. I'm going to put end right now. And I'm going to let this run through its little bit of a thing here and just make sure that I haven't, by changing that line number and then putting that in, it hasn't done anything. So it's going to do its setup thing and such. And you know what? It's been a long time. There are things I have to remember. And I suspect what I'm going to have to do to remember some of them is go look at the program about the thing about just a bit longer. Almost done. And then it should come up and say, press any key. Oh, it did not. Oh, I know why. Because I put that in where the cake comes up and not. Now it's going to do it here. Press F1 to start the celebration. Great. Okay, left 1270. First of all, it goes over too far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also, it shouldn't be there. But I'm going to put in and make it white. And it really shouldn't be there at all. So at this moment, I'm going to put in a rim. And I'm going to, it's got weird things going on with the character set here. So I will go and look again. To see where all almost done. Almost done. So I really got to see. It's reading data. Reading data. And there's... Okay, get ready. Where do I see? Oh, then it goes to 1880. Haha! 1880 onward. Oh dear. What do we have here? Oh. Okay, list 1880 onward. Music by Jim Butterfield. Okay, so there it is. And then what does it do? Then return. So that I'm losing my mind here. Hang on. Go to 1880. 8. Oh God. Oh, okay. There's some Go subs here. Oh yeah. Okay. You know what? This will take a little more work. We will continue this at another time.